Where is all LIFW going next? Should you buy, sell, or maybe wait? LIFW stock. Okay, this thing was crazy, and I literally predicted it to the dot. Now, I'm not talking about this bullish movement, but the bearish movement. Let me show you how that's possible. And I literally did it. Like 1 month ago, I made this video. This is what I said in this video. We were sitting at like 22.98. You can see I was even like short term bullish to take out the highs and then bearish. You should just to come back in the gap at least. The price delivered exactly to the liquidity point, and I'm actually going to copy the link from this video because people are going to start saying, "Oh, you're lying." You can go ahead and just check it out. You're going to have the link on the chart and everything because nobody's showing you this much proof as I do. Like I literally like been testing this strategy on YouTube with you. Okay, I made 13,000 videos. So this is just something that's been working for me. And after that, like you can see after delivery, I was not behind the chart, but I don't know where this thing just skyrocketed, right? I'm talking about 1,540 plus percent in 2 weeks. It's a crazy amount. So what's this thing doing next? By the way, if you want to learn my strategy for absolutely free, people are charging money for this type of stuff. Go ahead and check out the links in the comments and the description. Free course showing you everything with all IFW. The thing it's really gonna depend, right? Depends, like if it stays like this for the week, then this is a weekly shift. So I'm definitely gonna wait for like this whole week to pass to just see how the price is gonna close. If that's a weekly close, then expecting it to continue and deliver bullish high time frame. So stay tuned. Again, if you want to learn my strategy for free, check out the free course below, and I'll see you in the next one.